Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to write the code for text to speech using the Python. Now, let's get started. So I will open my Python shell. So here, I'll open my new file. So here I'll start to write the code. Wait. So if you want to write the code for the text to speech, we have to import the library. So we have a two library. Either you can use GTTS, that is Google Text to Speech, or we have one more library known as Pyttsx3. These two are the libraries for our text to speech programming. So right now, I don't have any libraries. We have to install these libraries in our Python shell. So the question is, how do you install the libraries in our Python, right? For that, I will open my command prompt, just type cmd, just enter. So here we have to install any other one. Either you can use the GTTS, that is Google Text to Speech, or you can use Py Text to Speech X3. Both are same only. Now I will install PyTTSX3. So for that we have a code, that is what py install PyTTSX3. Right? This is the way how to install the libraries in your Python. Next, I'll press the enter. I have already installed this libraries. That is the reason I'm getting requirement already satisfied. If it is not satisfied, it will download, right? Next, now we have to use our library. Now what I'll do, I will import the library in our shell. So import pyttsx3. Next, I will use the variable name as text. So text is equal to pyttsx3 dot init, right? Next, I have to write my code, my text, what it want to say. Now I will use text dot say. So I will mention a word or anything, whatever you want. Suppose I want hello world. Now I will use a hello word. So hello world is a string. That's the reason I'm using the quotes here. Either you can use a double quotes or single quotes, right? So next, after that, it should be run the program and it will wait until my next command, right? For that, I'm going to use again one more line, text dot run the program and wait. I'll just close this. Yes. So this is our program. Very simple. In a 4 lines, we can create text to speech, right? So let's run this code. So before going to run the code, we have to save the file. So go to the file, select the save. So here you can select, you can give any name. I'll give demo 1 and save it. Done. So once you save, you can see here demo1.py. Let's run this code. For running, we have two options. Either you can go to the run, you can select the run module, or you can use function 5. Now I'll select this one. Once I select, let's see what will happen. Right? It says hello world. Similarly, instead of the hello world, I have to write hello students. Correct? Again, save the program, run it. Hello. Very simple, right? So next, welcome to the school. Then again, I'll run the program. Run module. Very simple. I hope this is clear. This is very simple program for creating the text to speech. Thank you, everyone. Let's meet in the next session. Thank you.